Hello and welcome to my first unboxing video. I want to say three things in front of it. First thing, it is my first unboxing video. The second thing is I try to do it in English. What is not my native language. I'm German, so I hope it's enough so you understand what I want to show you, what I want to say. And the third thing is I do it with my iPhone. My camera I just normally use is just died. And the new one is on the way, so okay, I have to use that, but I don't want to wait any longer because the thing I'm unboxing today is a Cetus printer that just arrived yesterday, and I want to make a real unboxing video. That means I don't want to know before what in the box. Okay, so far for that. What's a Cetus printer? Just a short thing. The Cetus printer comes from a Kickstarter campaign. It's a 3D printer, and I was so excited about this campaign that I tried everything to be as fast as possible to back it, and it just worked. I got the backing number 1. That's the first campaign I ever did that, and the first campaign it worked also. So I'm very excited about it. This campaign was very flawless. It was very good in communication, and the time frame was very good. That means they said they want to ship it in November. They got a little bit of delay, but not a complete month of delay. So for a Kickstarter campaign, this is just wonderful. Let me say it this way. So the thing is, Cetus, when they were ready to ship that, the first batch, they showed up on Facebook. They showed up. They post a picture of the first package, of the first box, and it has the number 1 on it. And I just said, "Wow! It has my backer number, so it should be mine." It was just a joke, but what then happened was wonderful. Yes, it is original this package that arrived. So, let's start the unpacking. Like I said, I didn't open it before. I'm very curious what in this package. Okay. Good. Okay. First thing, it's Dear Mr. Nacken, you are invited. We are inviting you to join our development on more printer add-ons. Share your unboxing video. That's funny. Okay. So they ask if I do an unboxing video, and yeah, I do. That's funny. Okay, that's good. So, next one is this one. And now that you see, can I do it? Yes. That's the look inside the box. And the first thing I'm opening up, they have already put in the number 1 on it, but I think that's my backer number. So let's see what's in this package. Okay. 3 filament samples. The print bed. Okay, this is the plain print bed. These I ordered separately. Another print bed. Okay. This print bed has a coating. So this is the coated one. Put it on the side. Next thing. Whoa, okay. That's a big one. That's the power supply. Be careful. Okay, I'll do that. On the side. And another box. This box is empty. I'm putting that away. In this box, okay, we have a lot of stuff, a lot of small stuff. I'm not getting it out now. Just look a bit. Okay, the USB cable. Okay, that seems to be the extruder. Yes, it's the extruder. Wow, wow. Okay, this is really nice. It's looking really, really nice. That's good. Okay. I'll put it on the side. Those things stay inside the box for now. Okay. Power supply cable. Let's see what's in there. Okay, now I think the next one will be the printer itself. I don't know how to grab it right. Okay, that's easy. Yes. Good. Yeah, the packaging is nice. You see on the downside, you see there is foam who's protecting that. So that is the package. Nothing more in it. Oh, so like you see, the printer is nearly full assembled. That's a bit of a surprise because on one post they say that they want to get these Z-axis removed for sending, but I think they just did it now the complete way. Okay, let's go. Wow. Okay. So I don't have to assemble that much on it, it seems. So you see, this is the Cetus printer. Let me see something. That's the Z-axis. Whoa. Yes. Okay. That looks good. Okay, that was already most of it. So what I'm doing now is, it was very fast, but what I'm doing now is I'm changing the camera position and took it so that you see what I'm doing here, and you see it a little bit closer. So, okay, so here it is now a bit closer, the complete thing. This is the printer, how it was packaged. I did nothing about it at the moment. Here you see the complete assembled extruder. Very nice, very, very nice, I have to say. It looks really, really cool that way. So, and we have the print bed. On the other side, there were some extra nozzles. Okay, that's a bit more than normally because I just get some extra nozzles. And you have something that's, you see here, it's very, very thin. And I think this is for cleaning up the nozzle. Also, you have a wrench to change the nozzle. And you have this. I think this is the only needed tool to assemble the complete thing. Okay, not really, because I need a Phillips driver to assemble the print bed. So let's think what I'm going to use first. Maybe the first thing I'm going to is to install the print bed, I think. Okay, I have a little bit of a problem because I don't know how to hold this on high. Wait a second. Wait a second. Some of these packaging stuff. Maybe this is working. This is the packaging stuff. Oh, seems also like that it is made for that. Okay. So what I need first is the right Phillips screwdriver. Come on. Is it the right one? Oh, it looks good. Looks good enough. So you have to remove 3 screws. I'm not sure if I should remove the 4th screw, or is it just... Let me see what happens. Okay, come on, that's not so the best thing. Maybe just put it on the back side, just to secure it don't falling down. Should I do it that way? Should I remove it? Gonna have to remove it. Just try. Maybe you should not remove this one. No, you shouldn't, because they have okay. Put this just back in. So secure the print bed with 3 screws should be enough. Let's see. Oh, there. There it is. Okay. Don't want to over tighten it, but that looks okay so far. So the next one is the extruder. Okay, you see here 2 holes, here 2 holes, but you will use this one. So the extruder is mounted that way, and on this 2 screws. So this is not that easy, because it is, you have to go in there, and I don't know, you have to go in there, but let's try it. Let's try it. 1 screw. And another one. Okay. So, first thing I try, I put this screw inside this hole. Okay. Maybe a bit different. So it's not that easy. Okay. Okay, it's not that easy. Okay, it's yeah, but it works. Okay, the good thing is on this end it's a bit round, so you can screw it even if you have a little bit of angle in this. It's not angel. Yeah. Okay. At least I have to say it worked better than I thought before. So this one is mounted. Now you have the plug. Easy, very easy. Here your filament will go in. Yeah, okay. It seems that it's okay. That was easy and fast. Now the next thing will be measuring if everything is in line, and for that I need another tool. So I just get the tool fast and we'll be back soon. Okay, I just got something. It's very rusty, but it's good enough to test if it's all lined. And I just noticed something when I was away, that my camera was just a bit too low, so you didn't saw what I meant here with the cable and the plug. It's very easy. So, but I think you saw how I assembled these with the wrench here. Just look if it's okay here. And I noticed one thing, because when it has no power, this arm is going down, and would go down till the nozzle hit the build plate. So there are two things that you should hold from the packaging. The one thing is this. With that you can easily put that on high if it's off and has no power. And the second thing would be this, so you could use on the same thing. You could put this on the print bed, and so the print head would rest on this and not on the build plate. So these two things I would hold for now. Very nice to have them. Okay, for the testing, I'm going to the other side. Lift up the print head. Put this on. See? Yeah, it looks like it's aligned well enough. Yes. Okay. So, oops, sorry. So, the next thing is to power up the whole thing and see how it works. This I won't do here, so I will move the printer to the place I have planned for, and go onto my computer again, and I think I will do it also in this video, so I will put it on the end of this video, the first things how to get it running. Okay, see you.